peanut butter jelly oats, which is the most delicious way to start your morning. So what you'll need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way peanut butter protein powder. I'll be using 1 cup of milk, almond milk. You'll need 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter. I've got about a 1/4 cup here of frozen strawberries. You can also use fresh strawberries. 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs, 1 cup of oats, and of course 1 tablespoon of raspberry jam. Now what you need to do to make this recipe is add your milk and your protein into your Happy Way shaker. Shake it up until it's well combined, and then in a saucepan over medium heat on the stove, add in your oats, your peanut butter, gradually add in your milk and your cacao nibs, and mix it together until a nice consistency forms. Once it's ready, take it off the stove, pop it into a serving plate, and then top it with some extra strawberries, some raspberry jam and cacao nibs, and enjoy.